I'm just about to record for you a very short summary of our Improvers Solo Quickstep practice routine number 3. It's a short routine, but it had additional rotation, so it was making it a little bit more challenging. This was taught in the full class on the 28th of February 2022, so if you need to see the full 45 minutes class which built up to this routine at the end, you need to head into the full video library and look for the 28th of February 2022. Let me make a little start. I'm going to face the front. Working from the right hand side of your space. And right foot forwards, this is leader's timing for the first step. Slow, quick, there's my natural turn, back lock step, back, step, cross, step. Left foot goes back, I'm going to do a Tipple Chassis, I'm going to face the back corner of my room. Slow, quick, slow, and a quick, slow. Now, this was more challenging because we're facing the back end of the room. I'm then going to take my right foot back, and I'm going to do a little adaptation of a running finish for the living room. Back, run. Okay, remember we're not focused so much on leaders or followers or ladies and gents timing and precise footwork. I'm giving you the differences between what we're doing in the living room as to what we would do in the ballroom, and we're switching some of our steps to leaders and some are followers as the little routines go on. Let's do that again. Here we go. Natural turn, slow, quick, back lock, slow, quick, slow, Tipple Chassis, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. Running finish on a slow, quick, slow timing. Slow, quick, slow. I'm going to do 4 more slows, and this is a little change of direction and a hesitation. So I'm going to go slow, and hesitation. And again, I was facing more or less the back of the room, dragging that left foot in. Now I'm going to go across, got a left foot spin turn footwork. This is the opposite to the ladies. The ladies normally do right foot, brush in, brush out. This is now left foot, and this is what we do in the Telemark on a leader's footwork. In, across, tap in, tap out. You should recognise that. If you're working on your bronze in any of your awarding bodies with any other teachers and you're working on this, you should notice this from your syllabus work. Now, I'm going to do a little bit more rotation to face the front, a little quick, slow, and then I'm going to turn, sit back, and compose myself. Okay, so it's just a little pause at the end there. Let's do all that again. Let me put the paperwork down. Okay, here I go. Right foot, slow, quick, lock, quick, slow. Tipple, side, close, side, forwards, lock, step. Running finish. Oh, sorry, my fault, didn't rotate. Slow, quick, slow. Okay, now from here, a little changes of direction, hesitation, slow, drag in. Telemark across, chassis to the side, little pause, and compose ourselves. This time I will just count the timings. 5, 6, 7, and slow. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Slow, quick, slow. Slow, quick, slow. There we go, guys, just a very short routine. These routines are just enough to have a little practice in the living room and top up your learning if you're learning in the ballroom with other people, and just to keep you practicing with something fun. And we are working between pre-bronze and bronze and working on our improvers. We only started adding our improvers classes in 2021 in the last part of the year in the December. So our improvers are just at the start of their journey working up through the bronze. There we go. Guys, that was the 28th of February 2022 if you're looking for the full class in the paid video library, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.